Okay, you've completed the assessment. Now let me explain the thinking behind it. So think of each of those personality categories as buckets. Each bucket contains some water. There's no bucket that has no water in it. None of them are overflowing. All of them have some water in each. And the assessment is just trying to say, how much water do you have in each of these personality categories? How full is each bucket for you? The buckets that contain the most water represent your strongest, most dominant personality categories. The buckets that contain the least water represent your least dominant personality categories. Make sense? Higher scores, the more you have. Lower scores, the less you have. So let me give you a quick description of each of the 4 personality buckets, and I'll give you a little phrase so that you can remember each one. The first one is dominant. Think of the dominant person as time is money. They're direct, they're forceful, they're strong-willed, they're proactive, they want to get it done, they hate wasted time, they want to meet deadlines and move things forward. Then is inspiring, that's the I. Think of them as saying, let's have a great time. They're enthusiastic, they're outgoing, they're ideas oriented, they're fun, they're verbal, they are interesting. Then the supportive person. Think of them as saying, let's all get along. They like harmony. They're patient, they're diplomatic, they're flexible, they're empathetic. They're really, really nice people. They do the obvious jobs that other people don't notice. And then the conscientious person, the C. Do it right the first time. They're detailed, accurate, thorough, precise. They like structure and order and process.